this room, you are all pioneers. By being he for she, you are all feminists. We are all feminists. We have to be. There is a long line of men, and I would encourage you to go back to history and read, who even in the past have proudly asserted their feminist credentials. They are the ones who say to women, you have the right to access the full range of opportunities that men equals in this partnership. And I will share everything that relates to this partnership, considering it my own responsibility, whether it is housework, caring for children, caring for the elderly, caring for sick family members. Think about it, when a child falls ill and if the mother and father are both working, who takes a day off and stays with the sick child? Who goes to the school to pick up the child? I want to now come to what he for she is not about. It is not always about protecting women, not always. It is not about curfews and restrictions for women, To stay safe, well, just don't go out. To stay safe and to prevent people from making the wrong judgment, don't wear that. Or don't behave in this manner. Don't smile in this way. That's not what protection and standing in solidarity is about. It is not about saving women. He for she is about standing in solidarity with women, not standing in front of them, claiming to speak on their behalf, or forming barriers that hold them back, supposedly for their own safety. Yes, it is about respecting women, as many of the banners I saw outside said. It is about looking around, walking in her shoes, imagining how I would like you, when you go out onto the streets, to the mall, in public spaces next time, to look around and view a space from a woman's eyes, from a girl's eyes, right? How safe is this space for a woman? A bus stop, a market, a crowded area, even a music festival, the metro, the train. I don't know if you've noticed, but if you see a crowded bus and if you see a woman in it, you will see how she withdraws into herself. She shrinks. You will see her holding her bag like this. And it is not to protect the bag, it is to protect herself. So the message is, don't be a bystander anymore. It is time to speak up. In homes, in schools, in colleges, in workplaces, in public spaces. How can you do that? When you hear a sexist, misogynist joke, call those people out. Say, buddy, this is not on. Was this a joke? Well, I didn't find it funny. Is this something that degrades women? Is it something that is hate speech? Does it degrade people of different sexual identities? And we know there are those. They are people. They are not criminals. You will, I'm afraid, and I'm sorry to say, also find this in your own families, among relatives. So respectfully call these people out. Say, uncle, that was not a nice thing to say. That was a very patronizing way of referring to so-and-so woman. People who use derogatory language to refer to women, to refer to lesbian, gay, and transgender people, stop them. Threatening violence online, on Facebook, on Twitter, anonymously targeting girls and women, not on. Leering at a girl, or how sometimes it's referred to as appreciating, there's a difference. The girl or woman who's being targeted clearly knows there's a difference. There is a fine line. But there is a line, and I think everyone knows where to draw that line. So you have a friend or a brother or someone else doing that, call them out. Tell them this is not on. Tell them to get a life. On a more positive and hopeful note, and I see tons of hope in this room, the fact that you are all here, part of this campaign, already standing up, already speaking out for something you believe in the tradition of this great school, which has taught you to question, explore, and not just accept ready-made answers. This gives us hope. This gives us the courage, the determination, and hope, the motivation to go forward. We have forward, form clubs, form groups, form associations, together with girls. Sit with them and understand what they feel, what they go through. understand what they want you to do. And it may not always not make this a one-off campaign, and I am positive and I'm confident that you will not. You are all he for she. Now go out and make sure more men and boys join the cause. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Vinita Naik. It has really hit the heart, the core of our boys and girls present here this morning. Thank you so much.